Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to remove fingerprint on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, knowing how to remove fingerprint authentication on your device is important for situations where you may need to temporarily disable it, such as when troubleshooting fingerprint-related issues, lending your device to someone else, or if you prefer to use a different unlocking method for a period of time. So, how to do that? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, enter to the settings on your device. Well, so now scroll down please, and then tap on Security and Privacy menu. Okay, next you can select Lock Screen option. Then tap on Fingerprint menu. So here enter your screen lock. And then select a fingerprint you want to remove. After that, click Remove option at the top right corner, and then click Remove here to approve. Okay, so now your fingerprint is successfully removed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to remove fingerprint on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.